I'm rolling, so.
Alrighty, y'all. It is about 4:45. It is 19th of April here in Michigan. And we're on our way out to the spot. I think it's turning up to be a pretty good morning. It's pretty warm out, and it was super windy last night, so kind of hoping that they start to gobble this morning a lot. But I guess we'll see. This spot has been good year after year. I shot one opening day last year at this exact spot, and there was quite a few turkeys in there. So I'm expecting there to be a handful this morning.
Got any final words before we get out there?
Not really. It might rain a little bit here in the next 20 minutes, but yeah, I'm just ready to get out there and shoot a turkey.
Yes, sir.
Here it goes, top.
I'm recording, so we got that.
Yep, that's the top right there.
Stay calm, James. You got this. He's looking. Keep working it if you can. Nice and soft, yeah. Oh, yeah, James. He's gonna come all the way in.
It is 5 o'clock currently. It's kind of a warm day today. So I hope they're talking, but we got the bow with the head choppers. So a little bit of a challenge. We're just gonna run gun kinda. So I don't really know how it's gonna go. But, I'm just hoping they're talking tonight, and if they are, I think we can call them in. I just hope I don't hit that wall. Alright folks, so we got a turkey gobbling like pretty much every direction. There's a tom down there not far away, he's gobbling. There's a turkey behind us. And I think we have one over here too. This terrain's pretty hilly, so it's kind of tough to know where they're at exactly. But basically we just ducked back behind this fallen tree and put the decoy out on a path. We got the bow. I'm hoping I can make a shot if he comes in. So hopefully he just comes right in on fire, and then I think we can make it work. But we're gonna see.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Where's he at?
He's right behind the hill, dude. Get your mask on. He's coming.
I see him. I see him.
Okay.
He's looking at a decoy.
Huh?
I see him.
Where's he at?
He's to the left. He's coming in. He's coming in, dude.
Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah. Oh, do it.
Should I wait to go back?
Let him get to him. Don't do it till he's turned.
Yep.
Don't do it till he turns. Don't do it till he turns. Don't do it till he turns. Don't do it, James. Whenever you feel. Let him go full throttle. Dear Lord, please help this work. Please help this work, Lord.
James Smith! Oh my God!
James Smith!
You're videoing?
Yeah.
We did it, guys. I can't believe we actually did it. This setup, we had to literally chop out a lane just to shoot. There he is. I actually can't believe we did it. We can't really show the head too much. I mean, I can blur it, but it did a number on him, for sure. Pick up the shirt. Good spurs, man.
Yes, sir.
No, look at those. I've only shot probably maybe an inch. This might be a little
Oh, he's got a beautiful fan.
awesome. Alright, y'all, we're back at the truck, man. It was that a crazy hunt. the first turkey with the bow. This hunt was just pretty action-packed with the amount of time we did, as you guys saw. But we found this little guy. It's a spur. I've never found one of these. But on our way back, I think this was our lucky charm. But I don't know. It's kind of cool. But absolutely blessed to kill this bird. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like it, smash the subscribe button, comment down below. If you want to see more hunts like this, I'll be glad to do them. So, peace out, everyone.